brand new Tesla Model 3 in, we actually are going to be doing a chrome delete on this. So all the chrome that you guys see here is going to be satin black.
No, I'm going straight for mirrors.
So, before we get started, I want to know one thing.
The guys are still working, but let me show you what I've done so far. Driver's side mirror is done. Driver's side window trim. Passenger mirror. Passenger window trim. A door. We're gonna keep working on the Tesla. We're gonna keep working on the rolls and on the other projects we have. We are done with the Model 3 chrome delete, so let me show you what we've gotten done. Car came in with so much chrome on the windows, the mirrors, the badges, the fenders, all that stuff. So we chose to do satin black with this Model 3. That way it's a nice blend between class and sportiness. So we did the fender badges, as you guys can see. The mirrors, the window trims, and the door handles are all wrapped in satin black, so it looks really good, especially with the white. Kind of gives it that stormtrooper look. The mirrors on the Model 3 are always the most difficult part to wrap because of the moving mechanism, but regardless, we still wrap the part that gets exposed when the mirrors are folded in, and that way you get much more of a chrome delete. Even areas at the end caps we make sure we wrap, and that way even when you have the doors open, that way you get a full chrome delete experience.